The old billionaire lay motionless on the wooden park bench, his eyes closed, his expensive coat pulled tightly around his body. To everyone passing by, he looked like a tired old man sleeping in the afternoon sun. But he wasn't asleep at all. He was watching. He was waiting. And he was about to discover something that would change his life forever. Before we begin, if you believe that kindness and second chances can change lives, please take a moment to like this video, comment where you're watching from, share this story with someone who needs inspiration, and subscribe to Single Dad Journey for more heart-touching stories that restore faith in humanity. The billionaire's name was Alaric Stone. At 70 years old, he owned companies worth billions and properties across the country. Yet despite all his success, he felt empty. Years of wealth had exposed him to endless greed. People smiled when they wanted money. They offered help when cameras were nearby. Genuine kindness seemed extinct. That morning, Alaric had decided to conduct a simple experiment. He dressed in plain clothes, left his luxury car behind, and sat alone in a public park. His plan was simple. He would pretend to be asleep and observe how people treated someone they believed had nothing to offer them. Hours passed. Businessmen hurried by without looking. Joggers ran past. Tourists snapped photos nearby. Several people even bumped into the bench and continued walking without a second glance. Then came a boy. He couldn't have been older than 12. His clothes were faded. His shoes were worn out. A small backpack hung from his shoulder. His face showed the kind of maturity that only hardship could create. The boy's name was Rowan Hale. Rowan lived with his sick mother in a tiny apartment on the edge of the city. His father had passed away years earlier, leaving behind debts and heartbreak. Since then, Rowan had spent every day helping his mother survive. Before school, he delivered newspapers. After school, he collected recyclable bottles and cans. Every coin mattered. As Rowan walked through the park that afternoon, he noticed the old man on the bench. At first, he kept walking. Then he stopped. Something didn't feel right. The sun was getting hotter, and the old man's face looked pale. Rowan slowly approached the bench. Alaric kept his eyes shut. The billionaire expected the boy to move on like everyone else. Instead, Rowan carefully removed the small bottle of water from his backpack and placed it beside the old man. It was the only water he had. Then he gently positioned the bottle where the man could easily see it upon waking. Alaric felt something stir inside his chest. But the test wasn't over. Rowan began walking away. Then he stopped again. Looking back at the sleeping stranger, concern filled his eyes. After a moment's hesitation, he removed the sandwich from his backpack. It was a simple sandwich wrapped in paper. His lunch. Probably his only meal until dinner. Quietly, he placed it next to the water bottle. Then he left. Alaric nearly opened his eyes. No cameras. No audience. No reward. Yet the boy had given away both his lunch and his water. The billionaire felt a strange ache in his heart. But fate wasn't finished. About 20 minutes later, dark clouds gathered overhead. A sudden storm rolled across the city. Rain began falling heavily. People rushed for cover. Alaric remained on the bench, continuing his experiment. Soon he heard running footsteps. The same boy had returned. Completely soaked from the rain. Rowan stared at the sleeping man and immediately took off his thin jacket. It was old and patched in several places. Yet he carefully draped it over the stranger's shoulders. Then he stood nearby under the pouring rain to make sure the old man was safe. For nearly 15 minutes. Shivering. Hungry. Wet. Watching over someone he didn't know. At that moment, Alaric could no longer continue the test. His eyes opened. Rowan jumped in surprise. The billionaire sat up slowly and looked at the boy standing in the rain. For several seconds, neither spoke. Alaric's eyes drifted toward the sandwich, the water bottle, and the jacket now covering him. Suddenly, he understood something he had forgotten long ago. True wealth wasn't measured in bank accounts. It was measured in compassion. The boy possessed more riches than many millionaires. Alaric asked Rowan why he had helped. The answer was simple. Rowan explained that his mother always taught him that everyone carries invisible struggles. She often said that helping someone costs little but can mean everything. The word struck Alaric harder than any business deal or financial loss ever had. Over the following days, he quietly investigated Rowan's circumstances. What he discovered broke his heart. The family lived on the edge of eviction. Medical bills were overwhelming. The refrigerator was often empty. Despite all this, Rowan continued helping others whenever he could. A week later, a black luxury car stopped outside Rowan's apartment building. Neighbors watched in disbelief. Alaric stepped out. This time he wasn't disguised. He arrived as himself. The billionaire who owned half the city's skyline. Inside the small apartment, he sat with Rowan and his mother for hours. He listened to their struggles. Their fears. Their hopes. And when he left, he made a promise. A promise he intended to keep. Within months, Rowan's mother received the medical treatment she desperately needed. Their debts were paid. They moved into a safe home. Rowan received a scholarship to one of the best schools in the region. But the greatest gift wasn't money. It was opportunity. Alaric became a mentor to the young boy. He taught him business, leadership, and responsibility. Years passed. Rowan grew into a remarkable young man. Intelligent. Humble. Compassionate. Everything Alaric hoped the next generation could become. One evening, many years later, the billionaire sat alone in his mansion. Age had finally begun catching up with him. As he looked through old photographs, he found a picture from the day he first met Rowan. The memory returned instantly. The sandwich. The water bottle. The jacket. The rain. Tears slowly filled his eyes. For the first time in years, Alaric cried. Not because he was sad. But because one poor boy had restored his faith in humanity. He cried all night remembering how someone with almost nothing had given everything he could. And in doing so, had changed a billionaire's heart forever. If this story touched your heart, please like the video, leave a comment, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to Single Dad Journey for more emotional stories that remind us what truly matters in life. Special request, comment below with the words, "Kindness is true wealth," if you believe even the smallest act of compassion can change someone's life forever. Because sometimes the richest person in the world is not the one with the most money.